If there's one dessert that shouts summer, it's got to be s'mores. But when we want them, we need hot coals to toast marshmallows. And when that's not possible, rather than simply passing them by, we created a bar cookie version that's anytime easy. We begin by beating some butter and sugar until it's nice and creamy. Once it is, we add in some peanut butter, an egg, and a splash of vanilla. After that comes together, we slowly mix in some self-rising flour and beat it until it creates a soft dough. Now we spread this into a baking dish and top it off with a jar of marshmallow cream. It's a good idea to spray our spreader with nonstick cooking spray so it doesn't stick to it. A few chocolate chips and roasted peanuts go on top before baking it off. And if you're thinking, wait, peanut butter doesn't belong in s'mores, well, after one bite, all of that will change. You see, with the combo of the chocolate and the marshmallow cream, along with all the peanut buttery richness, you won't even miss toasting marshmallows. So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our peanut butter s'more bars as a way to welcome in summer with a dessert that's as portable as can be. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a toasty and a gooey way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.